Welcome. Today, I'm going to show you how to display your nickname at the top of your Facebook profile page using the Facebook app on your PC. With Facebook's latest update, adding and showing your nickname more prominently is simple and helps your friends recognize you quickly. Let's dive right in. First, open the Facebook app on your computer. Once you're logged in, look to the top right corner of the screen where you'll see your profile photo. Click on it to open your profile options. Next, you'll be taken to your main profile page. Here, find and click on the About section. This is where you can manage all the details about you, including your contact info, work, education, and more. Now, scroll down or navigate to the section labeled Details About You. This area holds personal details like your nickname, other names, and life events. Look for your nickname entry. To the right of your nickname, you'll see 3 small dots. Click on those to open more options. Among these options, select Edit Name. This will bring up the settings where you can adjust how your nickname appears on your profile. Here's the important part. Find the option labeled Show at top of page and enable it. This will pin your nickname right under your main profile name, making it easily visible to anyone who visits your page. Finally, don't forget to click Save to apply the changes. Your nickname will now proudly display at the top of your Facebook profile, making it easier for friends and visitors to spot who you are, especially if you're known by that name. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you've made your nickname the star of your profile page. It's a small update, but it really personalizes your Facebook experience. Whether you're using a nickname or a fun alias, showing it at the top helps your profile stand out. Try it out today and enjoy your newly customized profile look. Thanks for watching.